Hi, I'm Michael, and in this video I shall be taking you through all the box that came in the main box of the Flux 3D printer. Here is the new unit here, and along with it you have this, where you will find this, which you will need for here, the sticker which you will need to hold the tray to the body of the printer. In this box you will find the manual, which I will recommend that you read carefully before you begin to assemble them. In this manual, you will find all you need to know, what's included in the boxes, and how you fit them together. In this box also, you will find this for connecting the printing head to the printer. Also, in this box, you will find all the cables that you will need to connect the printer to the mains. And in this box, you will find the scanner head. And also, for health and safety, don't forget to use the goggle. And in this box, you will find the cartridge that you will need to print. This cartridge goes in here, like so. All of this you will find, and in case you're having any problem in putting the parts together, visit flux3dp.com website, where you will find all the necessary information you will need to complete the installation and getting on with your 3D printing. I hope this video has been useful to you. I'm glad to be one of the backer for this product, innovative product, and I look forward to many years of using it to serve mankind. Thank you.